As an expert of the field, I'm very keen and inclined to ask you anything more that you would like to add to the student that while preparing on the chapter on preamble that student should keep in mind.
Okay. I feel UPSC uh, has this kind of a kind of a approach whereby what they do, they tend to take the themes of the mains questions also, and they have incorporated those things at a later stage of time in the PT questions itself.
That's very interesting
So
insight, and that's very interesting insight.
like,
Yes.
so if we look at the questionnaire from the perspective of mains when it comes to the preamble topic, uh, two themes come to my mind. One is the theme associated with the word socialist, and that is because after the new economic policy which has been adopted, and after I would say the strategic disinvestments which the government has been doing, a certain kind of criticism has come whether and to what extent the word socialist is still relevant in the Indian context. And although I would suggest that it is something which is more important from the mains perspective, but this theme can be explored in the PT questions also in the future. So, understanding about the word socialist, then, in my opinion, from the perspective of PT 2025, then becomes a very important idea. And if I apply the same logic to the word secular, because of the fact that many times the state has come under criticism, and the word secular has been kind of a debatable topic from the very beginning of the independence of India, and increasingly when the state is associated with the religious symbols, so the secular aspect has remained in the news. I would say it's largely it's a part of the news every now and then. But from that, UPSC has framed a lot of questions in the mains regarding what is India's secularism, how is it different from the French secularism, and what can be the changes which can be brought. So, if I apply the same logic to say that the word secular and its exact meaning, because it's a nuanced concept, that is also something which, if UPSC wants to put a very conceptual question PT 2025 from preamble topic, they may venture into this part. So.